Life is not happening to you, it is happening through you. The world you see, the experiences you attract, and the circumstances that unfold are all reflections of what you impress upon your subconscious mind. The miracles you long for are not outside of you, waiting to arrive by chance, they are within you, waiting to be realized. When you understand this, you begin to see that miracles are not rare occurrences. They are the natural outcome of a mind that is persistently and confidently aligned with its desires. Your subconscious mind does not question, it accepts what you feed it. It is like fertile soil, ready to grow whatever seeds you plant. If you continuously impress it with thoughts of abundance, health, love, and success, then that is exactly what it must produce in your reality. But if you allow doubt, fear, or limitation to take root, your life will reflect those conditions instead. The power lies in what you choose to accept as true. If you want miracles to keep happening to you, you must make a habit of impressing your subconscious with the belief that they are already a part of your life. You do not need to beg, plead, or wait. You must simply assume the feeling of already having what you desire, and let that assumption settle deeply into your being. The subconscious does not differentiate between real and imagined. It responds only to the emotions and convictions you hold as true. Most people are conditioned to believe that life is a struggle, that good things happen only by luck, or that blessings are given to some and withheld from others. But these are illusions created by external conditioning. The truth is, you are always creating, whether consciously or unconsciously. And once you take control of this process, once you deliberately and repeatedly impress your subconscious with what you desire, miracles will not be something that happens occasionally. They will be the natural rhythm of your life. The key is repetition. Your subconscious mind is most receptive when you are in a relaxed state, just before sleep and immediately upon waking. This is when you must impress it with thoughts of what you wish to experience. Speak to yourself as if the miracle has already occurred. Feel it as if it is already yours. The more you persist in this state, the more your reality must conform to it. Your assumptions shape your world. What you believe to be true about yourself, about life, about what is possible, will always manifest in some form. If you believe you are lucky, you will experience luck. If you believe you are always in the right place at the right time, you will find yourself in perfect timing. If you believe that life flows effortlessly in your favor, you will witness the evidence of that belief. The world outside of you is merely a mirror reflecting what is happening within. Many people ask, how long does it take for a miracle to manifest? The answer is simple, as long as it takes for you to fully accept it as real. The moment you stop doubting, the moment you stop questioning whether it will happen, is the moment it begins to move toward you. Time is not the determining factor, your conviction is. When you persist in a state of certainty, when you assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled and refuse to entertain any opposing thoughts, reality must rearrange itself to match that assumption. It is not a matter of if, it is only a matter of when. The only thing that can delay your miracle is your own resistance. Doubt, fear, or the habit of looking to the outside world for confirmation before you fully believe. Do not wait for evidence to believe. Believe first, and the evidence will follow. The moment you claim your desire as already yours, unseen forces begin working on your behalf. Doors open, circumstances shift, people arrive, and opportunities unfold, all in perfect harmony with the assumption you have impressed upon your subconscious mind. If you want miracles to keep happening, live as though they already do. Speak as if they are normal in your life. Expect them. Feel gratitude for them before they appear. The more natural this state becomes to you, the more effortlessly miracles will continue to flow. You are not separate from the power that creates. You are one with it. The same force that moves the stars, that breathes life into all things, that orchestrates the infinite details of existence, that same power is within you. And when you align with it, when you claim what is rightfully yours with full confidence, there is no limit to what you can experience. Every great change begins within. Every miracle starts as a simple, quiet assumption. What you accept as true will unfold in time. So choose wisely. Assume the best. Persist in your vision. Let the unseen reality within you become more real than the temporary circumstances around you. And soon, you will find yourself in a life where miracles are not the exception, but the rule. The way you speak to yourself is shaping your reality in ways you may not even realize. Every word, every thought, and every belief carries energy, and that energy imprints itself on your subconscious mind. This is why it is so crucial to be mindful of the inner dialogue you entertain. The words you use to describe yourself, the expectations you hold about life, and the way you react to circumstances all contribute to the reality you experience. If you want life to unfold in your favor, your self-talk must align with that desire. Many people unknowingly sabotage their own progress by speaking limitations into existence. They say, "I always struggle," or "nothing ever works out for me," and then they wonder why life continues to reflect those statements back to them. The subconscious mind does not discriminate, it simply absorbs and manifests whatever it is consistently fed. If you say something often enough, your mind will accept it as truth, and once it does, your external world will begin to shape itself accordingly. This is why it is so important to monitor what you are saying, both out loud and in your thoughts. Rather than reinforcing limitations, choose to affirm what you want to experience. Speak words that empower you. Declare success, ease, and opportunities as if they are already present. Say, "Everything always works out for me," and allow that belief to take root. Say, "I am surrounded by good fortune," and watch as life begins to confirm that statement. Your words are not empty, they are instructions to the unseen forces that shape your reality. Speak with conviction, and you will see the evidence appear. Another key aspect of shaping reality is how you react to what is currently in front of you. Many people allow temporary conditions to dictate their state of mind, responding with frustration, doubt, or fear when things do not immediately go their way. But reacting in this manner only reinforces those conditions. The wiser approach is to hold steady, to remain unmoved by appearances, and to persist in the inner conviction that all is unfolding perfectly. The moment you allow an undesirable condition to control your emotions, you give it power over your reality. But when you remain centered in the awareness that your inner world is the true cause, you maintain control. It is also important to recognize that life responds best to a state of inner ease. Desperation, anxiety, and forcing things to happen create resistance. When you are anxious about whether something will manifest, you are actually affirming its absence. But when you approach life with calm certainty, knowing that what you desire is inevitable, you allow it to flow to you naturally. There is a profound difference between demanding and allowing. Demanding comes from a place of doubt, allowing comes from a place of knowing. Choose to allow. Choose to trust that everything is already moving in your favor. The more you cultivate a mindset of expectation and certainty, the more you will notice that life begins to shift effortlessly. People will show up at the right time, doors will open without struggle, and opportunities will seem to appear out of nowhere. But this is not coincidence, it is alignment. It is the result of having impressed your subconscious with unwavering confidence in your desired reality. Hold to this mindset, and you will witness miracles become the norm.